喜鹊，
喜鹊。
The magpie, 喜鹊, is a lucky bird in China. Chinese traditions say that the chirp of 喜鹊 can bring good luck to people. They fly onto the branches of plum blossoms and then to the houses of ordinary people with good news and auspicious omens. A Chinese legend says that 喜鹊 gather in heaven once a year to make a bridge for a separated couple. When they gather and form a bridge across the galaxy, the separated couple can meet each other on the bridge. Qique are kind-hearted messengers. People love Qique for their affability. There's a saying that good deeds come with the wobbles of Qique.
Qique.
喜鹊。